waiting for the bus.
This bus stop is always busy.
Yes, many people here today.
Are you waiting for bus 12?
I think so. Not sure.
Where do you want to go?
I go to city center, please.
Good. Bus 12 goes there.
Oh, that is good. Thank you.
First time taking the bus?
Yes, first time alone today.
No problem. It is very easy.
I hope I do it right.
Do you have a bus card?
Bus card or cash?
Both are okay on this bus.
Oh, good. I have some cash.
The bus comes every 10 minutes.
It is late now, right?
Yes. Maybe 5 minutes late.
I worry I miss my stop.
I will tell you your stop.
Thank you. That helps me.
Where are you from, Maya?
I am from Spain, new here.
Welcome to London. You will like it.
I like the coffee shops here.
Here comes the bus now.
Oh, yes, I see it coming.
Let's get ready to board.
Okay, I follow you, Daniel.
Don't worry, you are doing fine.
I try. Thank you again. Finding the rice.
The store is busy today.
Yes, many people here. Sorry.
What do you need today?
I need rice, please.
Rice is in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Where is that?
Come, I will show you.
Oh, thank you so much.
We pass bread and milk first.
Yes, I see bread here.
Next is pasta and sauces.
Pasta, not rice. Okay.
Now we are in aisle 5.
Oh, many kinds of rice.
Do you want white or brown?
I want white rice.
This bag is long grain rice.
Long grain. What is that?
It is light and not sticky.
I want sticky rice, please.
Then try this short grain bag.
Yes, this looks good. Thanks.
How many kilos do you need?
Maybe 1 kilo is okay.
Good choice for one person.
Yes, just me at home.
Anything else you need today?
Maybe eggs and vegetables.
Eggs are behind you here.
Oh, I did not see them.
Vegetables are near the front.
Thank you. You helped me a lot.
No problem. Happy shopping.
I feel more confident now. Ordering coffee in Austin.
Hi there. Welcome to Austin Coffee.
Hi, I want coffee, please.
Sure. What kind do you like?
I don't know many kinds.
We have latte, cappuccino, or black.
Latte. What is a latte?
It is coffee with milk.
Oh, I like milk. Okay.
Great. One latte for you.
Small or medium, please?
We have small, medium, large sizes.
Medium is good for me.
Do you want sugar or syrup?
Syrup. What is that?
Sweet flavor, like vanilla or caramel.
Oh, vanilla sounds nice.
One medium vanilla latte.
Yes, that is my order.
For here or to go?
To go, I walk outside.
Your name for the cup?
Emma. E-M-M-A.
Thank you, Emma. That is easy.
Yes, very easy name.
Your total is $5.
I pay with the card, okay?
Yes, the card is perfect here.
Good. Thank you so much.
Emma, your latte is ready.
Oh, that was fast. Thank you.
Enjoy your coffee in Austin.
I will. Have a great day. The dog park.
Nice day at the dog park.
Yes, it is very sunny today.
Is that your dog there?
Yes, his name is Max.
Max looks very friendly.
He is. He likes everyone.
My dog is over there.
Oh, the small brown dog?
Yes, her name is Daisy.
Daisy. That is a cute name.
How old is Max now?
He is 2 years old.
Daisy is 3 years old.
Oh, she is older than Max.
Yes, but she runs fast.
Max runs very fast too.
Look, they are playing together.
Yes, they look very happy.
Do you come here often?
Not often, maybe once a week.
I come here every morning.
Every day. That is nice.
It is good for the dogs.
Yes, they need to run outside.
Do you live near this park?
Yes, 5 minutes from here.
That is very convenient.
Yes, easy for me and Max.
Daisy, come back here now.
Oh, Max runs away again.
They do not want to leave.
Yes, they love this park.
Maybe we stay a bit longer.
Yes, just a few more minutes.
At the laundromat.
This laundromat is not too busy.
Yes, I feel a bit nervous.
First time doing laundry here?
Yes, first time in this place.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. I don't understand machines.
Do you have coins or a card?
I have coins only today.
Good. These machines take coins.
Okay, where do I put them?
Put coins in the slot here.
Like this? Is it correct?
Yes, that is perfect, Sophie.
Oh, that is easy. Good.
Now, choose a wash setting.
Setting? Which one is normal?
Press this button for normal wash.
Okay, I press it now.
Good. The machine is starting.
Oh, it makes a loud noise.
Yes, it is always loud here.
I see. It is a funny sound.
Do you have detergent with you?
Yes, small bottle in my bag.
Pour it into this drawer here.
Like this? Not too much, right?
Yes, just a little is enough.
Okay, I understand now. Thanks.
The wash takes about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I can wait here.
Or we can get coffee nearby.
Coffee. Yes, I like that idea.
Great, let's go for a coffee.
Yes, laundry can wait a little. On the street.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Yes, just a bit lost.
Where do you want to go?
I need Main Street, please.
Main Street is near here.
Oh, that is good news.
Do you have a map?
Map? No, only my phone.
Your phone works for directions.
Yes, but no internet now.
No problem, I can guide you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Walk straight for 2 blocks.
Straight, 2 blocks. Okay.
Then turn left at the bank.
Turn left at the bank.
Yes, you will see a cafe.
Cafe. That helps me see.
Main Street is next to it.
Oh, very close. Thank you.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I am here for 2 days.
Welcome. It is a nice place.
I like the streets here.
Watch the traffic when you cross.
Yes, I will be careful.
The light is green now.
Okay, I'm going now. Thank you.
Have a good day, Hannah.
You too. Thanks again. On the bus.
Is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. It is crowded today.
Yes, many people on this bus.
Where are you going today?
I go to the hospital?
I hope everything is okay.
Yes, just a small check.
That is good to hear.
Yes, I feel a bit better.
Do you take this bus often?
Not often, only sometimes.
I take it every morning.
Every day for work?
Yes, I work near the station.
Oh, that is convenient.
Your stop is after the park.
After the park, I watch carefully.
I can tell you when.
Thank you, that helps me.
The bus can be slow here.
Yes, traffic is very bad.
Do you have your ticket ready?
Ticket? I use the card.
That is fine on this bus.
Oh, good. No problem then.
We are near the park now.
Oh, I see trees outside.
Next stop is yours.
Okay, I'm standing up now.
Take care. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you again. At the cafe.
Hi. Welcome to the cafe.
Hi, I want something warm.
We have tea and coffee.
Tea. Sounds good today.
Black tea or green tea?
Um, what is black tea?
It is strong. No milk needed.
Okay, I try black tea.
Small or large cup?
Small. I think it's small.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
1 small black tea. 1 sugar.
Yes, that is correct.
Anything to eat with that?
Maybe a sandwich.
We have chicken or cheese.
Cheese. I like cheese.
Toasted or cold sandwich?
Toasted. What is that?
Warm bread. A bit crispy.
Oh, I want that, please.
1 toasted cheese sandwich.
Thank you. That sounds nice.
For here or to go?
For here, I sat inside.
Your name for the order?
Mia. M-I-A.
Thank you, Mia. Please wait here.
Okay, I wait over there.
Mia, your order is ready.
Oh, that was fast. Thanks.
Enjoy your tea and sandwich.
I will. It smells very good. At the hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Hi, I have a booking here.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, Lucy Brown. 1 room.
Let me check your reservation.
Okay, I wait here?
Yes, I see your booking now.
Oh, that is good. Thanks.
You booked 1 single room.
Yes, 1 night only, please.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is. Sorry.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Good. I was a bit worried.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Breakfast. Is it included?
Yes, it is included with your room.
Oh, that is very nice.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor. How do I go?
Take the elevator on your right.
Elevator. Okay, I understand.
Your room number is 305.
305. Thank you.
Here is your room key card.
Thank you. I keep it safe.
Do you need help with luggage?
No, I can carry it myself.
Wi-Fi password is on the card.
Oh, that helps me a lot.
Enjoy your stay with us, Lucy.
I will. Thank you, James. Practice in the break room.
Break room is quiet this afternoon.
Yes, I needed a short break.
Did you finish your tasks today?
Not really. I made a mistake.
Is everything okay?
Yes, just a small typing error.
Mistakes happen. Do not worry.
Thank you. I feel embarrassed.
Everyone makes mistakes at work.
I was updating client files.
What exactly went wrong there?
I deleted an important document.
Okay, we can recover it.
I hope it is possible.
We have a backup system here.
Oh, good. I did not know.
Always double-check before saving.
I will be more careful.
That is the right attitude.
Do others also make mistakes?
Yes, everyone in the office.
That makes me feel better.
Let us fix your file.
Thank you for helping me.
I will restore the last version.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes now.
I feel much more calm.
Break room coffee helps stressful days.
Yes, I will get some.
Good idea. Take a cup.
I will try again later.
You are doing fine overall.
That means a lot today.
Let us return to work.
Okay, I am ready now.
If you need help, ask.
I sometimes hesitate to ask.
It's always good to ask.
I understand that now clearly.
Do you feel more confident?
Yes, I feel more confident.
Great. Break is almost over.
Oh, really? Time goes fast.
Let us wash your cup.
Yes, I forgot about that.
Small things matter in the office.
I will remember that lesson.
Take your time next project.
I will work more carefully.
Good. Let us continue today.